What is dowry? Section 2 of the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 states that dowry means any property or valuable security given or agreed to be given by one party to the marriage to the other party, either directly or indirectly. Is meher dowry? No. Section 2 of the Act clearly clarifies that meher or dower does not amount to dowry. Note: under Muslim law, meher is a sum of amount of property payable by groom to bride during the nikah. Punishment for taking or giving dowry. If any person gives dowry or takes dowry or abets the giving or taking of dowry, they shall be punished with an imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 5 years, and with fine which shall not be less than 15,000 rupees, or the amount of the value of such dowry. Arrest and bail. Under the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, every offence has been made non-bailable, cognizable and non-compoundable. It means that bail is not a right, it will be the discretion of the court, and secondly, the police can arrest without any warrant. Burden of proof in dowry cases. Section 8A of the DPA states that if any person is prosecuted for taking or abetting the taking of dowry, then the burden of proof, which is proving that he had not committed the offence, would be vesting of him or them. Dowry death. Section 304B of the Indian Penal Code clearly states that when the death of a woman is caused by any burns or bodily injury or occurs otherwise, then under normal circumstances within 7 years of her marriage, and it is shown that soon before her death she was subjected to cruelty or harassment by her husband or any relative of her husband for or in connection with any demand for dowry, such death shall be called dowry death. And punishment for dowry death. Section 304B of the Indian Penal Code clearly states that whoever commits dowry death shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 7 years, but which may extend to imprisonment for life. 2. Vikas versus State of Rajasthan. The deep-rooted social evil of dowry requires to be controlled not only by effective implementation of the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, but also by the society. Society has to find out ways and means of controlling and combating this menace of receipt and payment of dowry. Important observations. 1. S. Gopal Reddy versus State of Andhra Pradesh. The DPA is a piece of social legislation which aims to check the growing menace of the social evil of dowry and makes it punishable not only the actual receiving of dowry, but also the very demand of dowry made before or at the time or after the marriage, where such demand is referable to the consideration